Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And you guys can see where I'm at, right? By all the yellow signs. I am here at Dollar General. It is Sunday and we have all the new coupons that are out and the new glitches. And we have a ton of glitches to go over this week, as well as a ton of new coupons. So as long as everything is in stock, we are going to get some nice deals. But I'm going to tell you right now, a couple of these deals are run deals. So you need to get here and get here fast before either the shelves clear or they fix the glitch. So before we jump into the deals and the glitches, I do need you to hit that subscription button and then hit the bell right next to it. That way you get notified every time I put up a new video and you won't miss out on anything like the run deals that we're about to go over. But in advance, I want to thank everyone for being a dynamic watcher of my channel, whether you're a subscriber or not. I really appreciate you guys. So let's get into the first run deal. The first run deal is a glitch, and it is on these Swiffer kits, and it is the ones with the 1 + 5 refills. They're $5.50, and you want to go into your DG app and you want to clip the Swiffer coupon that is in there. 1 second, I just scrolled away from it. Now, this is the coupon that we have in our wallet. The reason it is a glitch is because this $4 off coupon is supposed to be for the higher price items. So it says off of 1 Swiffer Sweeper, Swiffer Extra Large, or Super Extended Handle Duster Starter Kit. So these are the super extended duster kits that are like $12 and $14. So that is what it's supposed to come off of. But as you can see, it is attaching to this. So these are $5.50. With the digital coupon, that'll bring them down to just $1.50. And look, guys, if you plan on doing the game deal, you can also include these in your game deals to help you get to the $30 threshold. Okay, guys, so the next deal we're going to go over is, again, a run deal. And it is a glitch. But the reason I say it is a run deal is because the shelves are going to be cleared of this. You see, my store only has a little bit as it is. So it is on this travel size Pantenes. They are $1.75. You can get the shampoos or you can get the conditioners. So you want to grab 4 of them. Or you can grab 3 and do in one transaction and then grab 1. But I'm going to grab 4 because I'm going to do it all in one transaction. I'm going to show you why. In our DG app, we got a $1 off 1 for the Pantene. Then we also got a $5 off 3 of the Pantenes. So if you get 4 of them, you can use both of these coupons at once. Now, the reason I say it is a glitch because these do exclude the travel size, but they are attaching. So if you got 1 of those, 1 is $1.75, and you have this $1 off, so you would be paying 75 cents, right? But if you get the 3 for $5, then you would just be paying, let me do my math. I had it in my head before I came and it just vanished. You'll be paying 25 cents. Okay, so if you do the 1 with the $1 off, you'll pay 75 cents. If you get 3 for the $5, you'll be paying 25 cents. If you put it together and you get 4, you'll be paying $1 for 4 of these, which means you'll be paying $0.25 a piece. Guys, that is an excellent deal. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to throw them in my cart, and let me tell you about these travel size items. So some people say to me, why would you coupon and buy travel size items? Well, first of all, because if you're traveling, that's a good way to get your travel items by couponing for them. But at Christmas time, There were a lot of people, a lot of my customers who needed gifts for their office, for grab bags and things like that. And guess what? I would put together a thing of travel size items for them. It would have shampoo, conditioner, toothpaste, deodorant, and lotion, and they loved it. Like, they bought them for their office, plus they came back and bought them as stocking stuffers and little gifts to give family members. So there's a lot of different things you can do with those travel items. Just have to be creative, be open-minded. Okay guys, so the next item that I'm going to get, again, this is a glitch and it's a run deal, so we know it's going to go fast. So we're going to pick up one of the children's Allegra allergy medicine here, and it is $10.50. Now, let me tell you guys what is going on with this. So when you go on the DG app, you see there is a $5 digital coupon. Let me get this clear for you. There we go. There's a $5 digital coupon. And then it's also bringing up the $4 cash back offer. So as you guys know, last week we had a bunch of glitches where they were giving us the digital coupon plus the $4 in cash back. So let's see if that happens again this week. I'm really hoping it does. Now, you'll also notice that there is an Ibotta rebate for this, but you won't be able to use it because it clearly states down here, this offer can't be combined with coupons for the same product. So you won't be able to use that, but you will get this $5 and $4 off. So if you get those both back, then that means that you'll only be paying $1.50 for that children's Allegra. Guys, I think that is an amazing deal. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to grab this, I'm going to put it in the cart, and look, there's a $2 pilly, which I'm going to save for the next time because I know I can't use that plus the digital coupon. And if you guys notice in my cart, you see that I have 2 of the Swiffer kits. One I'm going to use on my account, and the other one I'm going to use on my mom's account, because I told you guys the shelves are going to be cleared very fast of these, because this is an excellent guys, you guys know I always drop something every video, and I just dropped the phone. But yeah, this is going to be an excellent deal for those Swiffers, so you guys better grab them before they're gone. Now guys, if you're not familiar with the cash back, how that works is the cash back will be in your account within 24 hours. So just be patient and we'll see if it works. Okay guys, so the next deal that I'm going to do is going to be on the Caesar's wet dog food. It's going to be the 6-pack for $8. Now, last week I did this deal and it was a glitch because I had the $5 off digital coupon and the $5 cash back. So I ended up getting $10 back. I only paid $7.50. The price went up. It was $7.50 last week. This week is $8. So that was a $2.50 profit for me because of the glitch. Now this week, what happened is they gave me the $5 cash back coupon back, but they didn't give me the $5 coupon. But that's okay, guys, because it's still going to be a money maker for me, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab one of these and I'm going to get my $5 cash back, which will come back in 24 hours. But then look, there is a $5 coupon on coupons.com and on Shopium. So you can submit to either coupons or coupons.com or Shopium and get $5 back. So guess what? This is still going to be a $2.50 money maker. Well, $2 money maker for me. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to throw that in the cart. Okay guys, so this is everything that I'm going to get today. The Pantene, the Swiffer kits, and the Allegra and the Caesars. And I'm getting all of these because, like I said, they are run deals, and I wanted to make sure that I got them before the shelves are clear. So I will be back when I go over my receipt in the car with you. Okay guys, so I am back in the car, so let's go over our receipt. So there you see I got the Allegra and the Caesar's dog food, the Swiffer, and the 4 Pantenes. So the $5 digital coupon did come off for the Allegra. But guys, I think the glitch is over. And the reason I say that is because I looked on my account and look, the $4 cash back is still on there. So I'm not going to get that $4 cash back for the children's Allegra, but I'm still absolutely okay with paying the $5.50 for the children's Allegra. It's still a good deal. It's like 50% off. And then there you see the Caesar's dog food for $8. And I didn't have a digital coupon, but I submitted my receipt to coupons.com and I already got my $5 back for that. But as far as the cash back is concerned, let's see about that. So when I look in the app to see if the cash back was still in my account, the cash back disappeared. So that means in 24 hours, I will have my $4 cash back. So that means that, was it $4 or $5? I forgot already. Good thing I took a screenshot. The $5 cash back. So that still makes this a $2 money maker. And you'll see the deal is still good with the Swiffer glitch, because my $4 digital coupon came off of that, making those Swiffers $1.50. And the Pantene glitch is still good. You see the $1 digital came off and the $5 digital came off. So we're not going to discuss tax. So everyone's tax is different in every city, state, and borough. So my out-of-pocket was $16 because we minus the tax. But you want to subtract from that $16 the money that I'm getting for cash back, as well as the money from coupons.com. So let's do the math and let's see what the out-of-pocket is. So $16 minus the $5 cash back minus the $5 digital coupon from coupons.com. That means that this deal cost me $6. I'm absolutely happy with that, because that $6 is like the price of the Swiffer. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that you're able to go out and grab some of these deals. Come back, let me know what you're able to grab. And until the next time, keep on saving.